So in 2022, I joined Teneo. It was my first time. I've never worked with a computer before, but with the Teneo teachers, they taught us how to use a computer, everything. It was phenomenal. The teachers were really helpful. Yeah, it was a great experience. I feel like ever since I've changed from a brick and mortar school to Teneo, my marks have improved drastically. The concepts are explained in a much easier way. It's really great. Teneo has also provided us with challenges.
So 3 years ago, my kids were A students, which we were happy about. And we thought, wow, you know what? We're getting the best out of them. We were very nervous at first because we thought the averages were going to drop because it was something new. It wasn't only a new school, it was new school, new technology, learning so much more how to handle a computer. But to our surprise, our kids became A plus students and their averages have increased drastically. And we're sitting with A plus students now.